still really low. Not like low as bad. Oh down, oh down. Just kidding. What do you want to see? I don't know. Something awesome. How about we explore my house? Alright, let's go. I said go. Woo! This is my bathroom. Exciting. This is my big bath. Pretty sure all of you have seen enough in my bathroom. Special guest! Hey, Ben! Hey there! This is my parents' bedroom. Ooh! Wanna see my brother's room? Okay. It's kinda messy. Ow. Can't even get through the door. Ben, it still smells like shit in here. This is my living room. And it's an awesome couch for jumping. Oh yeah, massive air. That didn't pull it. Yeah. Fireplace. There's a TV in there. Other side of the room. Oh yeah, guitars. You should hear me play. I'm pretty ballin'. Let's wait. Just kidding. So basically I use one finger and the top string. That's how ballin' I am. It's my mom's. I don't actually play guitar. Moving on. Oh look! A kitchen. Let's see what we have in the fridge. Banana! Hot sauce. Yogurt. Half an onion. Nesquik. Strawberries. That's what it is. Bread. On the counter. Nothing really. Do you like my walk? It's my crazy legs. Just kidding. That's me and my friend's new greeting. You want to be cool? Greet friends like this. Yeah. Anyways, sure. You got my dining table. Another bathroom. It's mostly my guest bathroom. Guest bedrooms in there, pantry, blah blah blah. And there's a whole other floor, but I'm not gonna go on him. Drag this on forever. So yeah, I showed you the outside of my house, but who knows about you creep stalkers? Don't want anybody looking. Oh hey, didn't see you there. I thought it'd be a little harsh without letting you guys see my house outside. So I figured compensate, let you see my garden. Oh shit, I'm probably gonna check her out. Yeah. My family actually stopped like caring about the plants though, so it's not as rad as it could be. Hello. Welcome. Just kidding. I like to talk about shit. Yeah. Nature. What are you doing on YouTube? Or on wherever you're seeing this. I don't know where my videos end up. Sometimes on some crazy, like, Japanese sites that I've never heard of. Things happen. Anyways, so, get outside. Go get some ice cream. Do the dance. It's a good part. Oh. I like to snap, too.